Hey guys, it's Laura and I just got my GBH package and I'm so excited. It's so cute. I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys what I got and the products that I received. So far the box is all the way wrapped in like tape, which I think that's good because in like shipping, you know nothing is getting tampered with and that like everything's like staying in place and nothing will like fall out and everything. It opens like this and it comes with a little message. It says, "Thanks for shopping with Gloss by Hailey. We appreciate and value your support. Please contact us with any issues or concerns. Share our gloss on social media with your friends. We hope to see you soon. Love, Hailey and the GBH team." I like that they like threw that in there. And it also has their social media. And then our products are right in there. We got the GBH collections. And we got the bag, which I'm assuming the other products are in. I'm gonna open the bag first. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, these are so cute. Okay. So one of the first products that they gave me is the Lash X Gloss. These lashes are so cute. Oh my gosh. These are the lashes that they sent me. I'm like obsessed. It comes with a little spoolie and it comes with an applicator, which is really good because with nails like these, it's hard to apply lashes with just your fingers. And then they gave me this gloss, which is the Bronzy Gloss. This lip gloss is so beautiful. It has gold pigments in it and it's like a pure bronze color, which I love and I can't wait to try it on. This is Lash X Gloss by GBH. Next we have this little bag here. Okay, so this gloss came with a necklace, and then I got this gloss, which is the Gloss Gems. It looks like, if you look at the back, it looks like an ocean with a little bit of like shimmer and not too much, and it's tightly packed, which is great, so you know you're getting all product and using the whole container. It's the last one that we have. It's the GBH gloss. Okay, so this is Angela by the GBH Complexions. I love this color so much. I wear this color almost all the time and I love that it's in a gloss form. So now I'm going to swatch all the glosses for you so you have an idea of what it looks like. So we're first going to start off with the bronze. Oh my gosh. So this is the bronze. It's reflectant. Oh my gosh. So the little gold pigments in the gloss reflect on the light. Next we're gonna go with the gem gloss. So this is the gems. It's super subtle, but it still has that icy look to it, which I love. And with this gloss, it has silver pigments in it that reflects against the light as well. Now I'm going to be swatching Angela. Oh my god, I'm in love. Oh my god, I'm in love! Look at it. It's so cute! Okay, so Angela doesn't have any reflectant pigments in it, but it looks so glossy and juicy and I love it already. And now I'm going to try them all on. Okay, as you can see, I took off my lipstick and I'm gonna try the bronze now on my lips. This gloss feels so nice on my lips. It's so smooth and it glides. And it's not sticky at all, which I love. I don't like sticky gloss because sometimes when like my hair's in the way and it gets stuck to my mouth, it just gets really annoying. But this is how the gloss looks. It just feels so nice, guys. Like, you would have to buy it to realize what I'm talking about, but it feels so nice on the lips. Now we're gonna try gems. Again, really easy to apply. So as you can see, this is more of like a clear gloss, but it still has those like reflective pigments in it. So when you have a photo shoot, your lips are gonna be looking juicy. Now we're going to try the Angela gloss. I'm so excited. I adore it. I can't tell you anything else, but I just adore this gloss. This has to be my favorite one so far. Thank you so much, Gloss by Hailey, for sending me these beautiful products. I love them. If you go on their website and you buy any of their products, if you get orders over $10, use the code JUSTICE to get 25% off your order. And for all products, you can use BOGO11 to get a buy one, get one free deal. Who doesn't love a good deal? Go follow GBH on Instagram at Gloss by Hailey, and don't forget to look at their website, www.glossbyhailey.shop.